Special for 10 viewers of the last video. I found the simple technology solution for my problem. As you can see, the cut is very nice, without any outside tear-up or mark like a laser cutting, but it's done by handsaw. Yeah, I was thinking about the sleds. The sleds I was talking about on the last video. I thought it's a lot of job, a lot of work to make the sleds, and I was thinking about the other solution, and I found one. It's very low-tech solution, but it is working. I show you the solution right now. Here is the solution. It's a piece of wood, like some kind of template. Here is an angle, the 45 I need. I'm screwing with clamps to the button I need to trim down, and I'm using the saw. Wait a moment. And the Japan style saw with a lot of tips. As you can see here, the black residue is from here, because I'm during cutting, I'm constantly pushing the saw to the template, and slowly but surely I'm getting the job done. I'll be back in a few minutes when I cut the piece and show you how it's fitting with the other one.